Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need a capable phone and the right files. Start installing now. Enable unknown sources, then sideload the Yuzu Android APK. This gives you the app binary. Once done, copy your own prod. Keys and firmware into the /Yuzu keys folder so the emulator can decrypt titles. Make sure storage permissions are granted, otherwise the app won't see files. You're not skipping setup. This is the essential bridge between installation and actually loading games, so do this carefully now. Once keys are in place, configure Yuzu for your hardware. Set CPU threads to match physical cores and pick the Vulkan or OpenGL backend depending on your device. Add the folder with NSB or XCI files and let Yuzu scan. This builds a library index so you can launch titles. Next, generate or load a shader cache to reduce stutter and map controls, touch overlay, or a Bluetooth controller, so input feels natural. These middle steps are where speed and compatibility solidify. You can now run a game, watch FPS and device temperature to avoid throttling. If performance is low, lower the internal resolution, enable asynchronous shader compilation, or switch backends. Each change affects frame pacing differently. Make sure to let shader caches build during several short sessions to smooth performance. If the app crashes or won't decrypt titles, recheck that you dumped correct prod. Keys and firmware confirm file paths, and update to the matching Yuzu APK build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.